If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you identify and fix common causes of crashes. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Elden Ring. Check the game's official website for the specifications and compare them with your system's hardware. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. Right-click on Elden Ring in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings to see if that resolves the crashing issue. Start with settings like resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality, and gradually adjust them to find a stable configuration. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that might be using system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming software, and other games, which can interfere with Elden Ring's performance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issues in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.